today, guys, we're gonna make some pizza, and I already got it ready. Here are the instructions.
Okay, so first we need to get this. There, we cut it. The one for the water. And then we need to put some water. I'm scared. Wait. I put too much, that's okay. Why is the water blue? Okay. We need to put the green thing. Oh my goodness. Ah! Oh my goodness, guys, look. Oh my god, I'm such a mess. I think that's okay. I think we're supposed to put the whole thing. It smells so good. Oh my goodness! It smells okay. We just need to put some water. It's kinda nice. Wait. Uh-oh. We need some more water. Guys, I'm gonna break the rules. I broke the rules. I thought it would be powder, but it's just rock candy. Oh! Okay. It's good. It looks so good. Guys, I'm done. See? It's so beautiful. I look so messy. Oh my goodness. Guys, so it smells like we're driving though. Oh, no, it tastes like cardboard. Ew. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna eat cardboard. Oh, okay. We need to spread the green thing. What? Wait. But, oh my goodness, guys. Oh, we need to... Thanks! My brain saved me, guys. This is gonna be a weird part, but I'm gonna use this. I was gonna say my hand, but Scott just gave me an idea. Nope! I'm gonna use my hand. But I'm not gonna share it with my family. I didn't know it would be this small. So small. This, in the box, it's big. But in real life, it's small. Guys, I thought we were actually doing like a real pizza. A real cheese and a real tomato sauce. But it's a lie. So if I taste it, and then it tastes so bad, I'm gonna crash out. We're gonna put the sprinkle thing. Okay. Oh guys, in the box it looks so good, but it's not. But mine, it's not. Oh, my Filipino, help me. Guys, you remember those YouTube shorts? They like when you speak a Filipino, when you speak to a Filipino and then you speak English, their nose will get bleed. But I don't know why mine won't get bleed. Isn't it that weird? I'm literally a Filipino.